Welcome to another edition of My Kids Try Food from Around the World. We first went to Africa, and now we are headed to the Nordic Scandinavian area. Wild berries grow really well in this area because of the climate. And so we're going to start off with this really easy blueberry milk. All you're going to do is cook down some blueberries with some sugar and water until it's nice and thick and cooked down, and then I pureed it just so that it was a little bit of a smoother texture for my kids to enjoy. Then once it's cool, you just stir it into some milk and make sure that you stir it up really well, and you get this beautiful colored, really flavorful, fun, and easy drink that the kids are just going to love. All three of my girls really love this drink, and they have been asking for me to make it again and again with all the leftover blueberry syrup that we have. Make sure you check back to see what else we make.